Hi everyone, my name is Catherine, and this is my 15-112 term project. So for my project, I use tk-enter to make a graph builder. So we're just going to go ahead and run it. And as you can see, this is the home screen, which has the title here, and a fun little animation in the back with randomly generated edges and nodes. So when we click start, it takes us to the main building screen. So up here, as you can see, we have our toolbox, and we have nodes, which lets us create nodes wherever we click. We have edges, which lets us create edges between two nodes. Red if red edges is highlighted, and blue if blue edges is highlighted, like that. Then finally we have eraser, which lets us erase an edge if we click on it, or if we click on a node, it erases the node and all the edges connected to it as well. And then finally we have this erase all button that erases everything. So over on this side, we see we have 4 buttons. Each of them corresponds to a different function that you can apply to the graph. So I will go over all of them briefly. So first of all, we have DFS, which is depth first search. And what that essentially does is that it performs depth first search on your graph. So if we select it, we choose a starting node and a node to search for. Let's pick this one. And then it will animate the edges and vertices that it's searching for, or edges and vertices it's traversing while it's searching for the node you want. So yes, like that. And then once it finds a node, it tells you it's found. And then down here, you have a reset button, which just gets rid of all the highlights, but keeps the graph. So breadth first search works a lot the same way, so I'm not going to demonstrate that. Down here, we have Hamilton, and this function essentially just determines if you have a Hamilton cycle on your graph, and if you do, then it will find it and highlight it for you. So, for example, here, there's obviously a Hamilton cycle. If we click Hamilton and choose a starting vertex, we see that it highlights the Hamilton cycle you want. Finally, we have Dijkstra, which makes use of one of the options up here. So if you make a graph like so, and then connect it, and then once you select the edge weights option, you can enter weights on the edges. And then if you click Dijkstra and choose a starting and ending vertex, it will return the length of the shortest path and also highlight where the shortest path is there. So yeah, those are the main functions of my program. Thank you for watching.